Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to change format of our screenshots from PNG to JPEG. By default it should be JPEG, but if it's changed for whatever reason and we want have it back as a JPEG, we need to go to Settings, then Advanced Features, and here we have screenshots and screen recorder options. And as you can see right now we have a PNG format. To change it, we simply open this menu, we can choose our JPEG, and that's it. Back out, no need to save, it is now done. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.